Hi everybody, Phil Bridges here again today, and I'm going to talk to you today about the Milwaukee M18 Six-Pack Sequential Charger, and I'm also going to talk today about the Milwaukee M18 M12 Rapid Charger. So if you haven't subscribed to my videos, subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I post a video. And comment down below if you have one of these chargers and what you like, if you like it or not. I'm going to talk a little bit about each one of them and tell you some of the pros and cons of it, and depending on if you're even thinking about, getting a rapid charger or a sequential charger. Each one of them, they're nice. They're really nice units. I'm going to talk about the sequential charger, the six-pack one. Right now, it retails for $124. This one only charges one battery at a time. You can have 6 of them up here on charge, and it'll go one by one and just go around and charge each one individually. And it has a button on here that if you don't want one battery charged and you rather have one that is a bigger battery that you need and want to get charged faster, just you can hit this button and it'll skip it. It'll skip one of the batteries, which it's kind of a nice feature. It also has vertical mounting. It has holes on the back, so you can just take drywall screws and just screw it onto plywood, and you can hang it on the wall, and so you have it charging your batteries on the wall instead of like on a countertop, just so it's kind of out of the way. Now it'll charge, it'll take 30 minutes on a charge for the M18, like these small batteries, and your normal XC M18s. But for your 4.0s and your 5.0s and not even 9.0s and your 12.0s, it's going to take a little bit longer. The bigger the battery, the longer it's going to take to charge. So it's going to take almost 60 minutes to charge probably your 12.0. It comes with Milwaukee's 5-year warranty, which is nice, because the first one I had did go out and Milwaukee did replace it. This is a nice unit that it's nice if you don't have any M12s and you just want to have batteries. I use this more for in my garage. I'm not gonna lie. I have this up on the wall, and that way I have batteries always charging, and so I can walk in and I can grab one. Where the M18 Rapid Charger with the M12 Rapid Charger, this is going to be more of my job site charger. I'm not going to lie. So let's talk a little bit more about this one. This one is $169 it retails for, and it's a rapid charger, so it's going to charge batteries faster than the sequential charger. It has its vertical mounting just like the sequential charger. You can mount it on the wall. It has a pass-through plug, so like right now I have both of these plugged into one single outlet, so they're just stacked up. And it comes with Milwaukee's 5-year warranty on it. You can charge 3 batteries at once on this. It's a pretty nice unit. So basically, this unit is set up to like 3 chargers. So just like your normal Milwaukee charger that you have, if it has a Milwaukee M12 and an M18 charger, when you have one charging, the other one's not charging. So that's basically what the same premise is of this rapid charger is, but in bulk form. So you have this battery charged, this big 12.0 charge, and once this is charged, then it's going to go over and it's going to start charging your M12 on the other side, and so forth on each side. And even if your M12 is charged and then your M18 isn't charged, it's going to start charging your M18. It's a really nice, really nice kind of charging caddy, I would call it. But and it monitors. Unlike the sequential charger, this one monitors and regulates your battery temperature and your the voltage that it goes to, and the charging to optimize the battery life, which is really nice. For for $40-something more, you can get this charger with being able to charge the M12 batteries, which is really nice. But like I said before, if you don't have any M12s, then this would probably be the charger to go with, because although it's gonna only charge one battery at a time, you can have 6 batteries on your sequential charger caddy. So those are my little reviews on the Milwaukee M18 sequential charging battery dock and the Milwaukee M12 and M18 rapid charging dock. If you liked this video, thought it was helpful, hit the like button down below. Subscribe down below if you haven't subscribed. I'm Philip Bridges, and I'll talk to you guys later.